Hi friends, I provide you the latest product details so you can check the model number in the description, how the product looks and how the product works. Here is the product images and specification and features. You go through it. This is the latest product model. This product is durable, reliable and product have all the features you can use rough tough and very less maintenance. So guys, ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन चेक करें. For more details, check the description below. If you have any query related to the product, post in a comment. So you go through the description carefully, and for more details, नीचे description दिया हुआ है, वहाँ पे इसके specification है, आप उसे check कीजिए. So product is very latest, durable and reliable. All the features you can use rough tough and very less maintenance. So these are details about this product.